Here is an easy Hainanese pork chop recipe loved by all Malaysians. You won't get Hainanese pork chop at Hainan Island of China. Enough to keep you suspended. Let's get started. Marinate the pork chops. Pork loin is a preferred cut for making the pork chops. Cut the pork into about 1 inch thick. Slice along to leave the end intact to make a butterfly shape. Pound the pork chop with a meat mallet or the back of the knife to tenderize it. Marinate with the following ingredients: salt, ground white pepper, 5 spice powder, Worcestershire sauce, ginger juice, and Shaoxing wine. Marinate the pork chop for at least half a day, or better still, overnight. Prepare the gravy. We start by sauteing the minced garlic with some vegetable oil. After that, add the sliced onion and cook over-low to medium heat until it starts to caramelize. Next, add the tomato wedges and the green peas. Add tomato ketchup. White vinegar, sugar, light soy sauce, and a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with some water. Cook until the liquid starts to boil and turn into a gravy. If it is too thick, you can add some water. Once it brings to a boil, the gravy is ready. Coat the pork chops with flour, eggs, and the crushed cream crackers. Dredging the pork chops into the flour. Moisten it with beaten eggs. Coat with the crushed cream crackers. Lightly press the cream crackers so that it will adhere to the surface. Deep fry the pork chops in hot oil. Over medium heat until both sides are golden brown. Drain on the kitchen towel to remove the excess oil. Pour the sauce onto the pork chops, or you can serve it separately. This easy pork chop recipe can remain crunchy even after 20 minutes. You can download the recipe and read more details about it at tasteasianfood.com. Easy pork chop recipe. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.